Hello again. I'm here to give another demo of the updated Synapse Pro. There's been a ton of changes since I last made the video. I want to say thank you to Sam, who I've been working with to get everything looking nice and beautiful, easy to use, and yeah. We'll just jump into a bunch of the changes so you can see right off the bat it looks completely different. Buttons colors are changed. You are able to make changes to any of the risk management features right from the status window, the main window. You have two modes now, execution and order mode. You still have the lockout button, but I added a nice little note just because I don't want anyone to get locked out without knowing what's going to happen. Because when you do click this button, it will lock the accounts until the time from now, or you can choose a session which will unlock at 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. The 6 a.m., 6 p.m. reason is if you are trading the after hours and you want to be unlocked for the next day's trading, this will unlock you at 6 a.m. And then a fresh unlock at 6 p.m. So this defaults to 1 minute now, just in case people don't know and they put a loss limit to take profit and they end up getting locked out and like, oh, I didn't realize what that was going to happen. It's only 1 minute. We don't want to get anybody locked out too long. So you still have the emergency flatten all button, which is great. Flattens all positions. The on-off switch is now your basically live and not live switch. So when it's an off, you're able to configure any of your settings. I'll actually configure some stuff now, just do some demos. The other thing I wanted to mention was the settings. In the settings, this will be where most of the external relay, external reaching options are. So you have your Discord alerts. You put a Discord webhook in here and it'll send a message to your channel, which will look like this. Nice and easy. I might actually make it cleaner and less, I don't know, just easier to read. Your ProjectX, this is where you'll put your username and API key in and click fetch accounts. It'll grab the accounts and you'll be able to trade those here as well, forward trades to them as well. The only caveat with that is due to using the API and not wanting to get limited and hitting it too hard, you will be using the lead accounts, loss limit, take profit, etc. risk managements on that. You can't individually put them on the project accounts for now. The external WebSocket relay, I just did a video on this and how to use it. It's a really cool feature. You should go check that out. And then your lock timer, the automatic lock timer. So it's different from your lock. The lockout one is what you manually will lock out for. This is the one that's going to go into effect when your accounts hit your loss limit or take profit. Lastly, an instrument filter if you want to copy to only specific instruments. Okay, so I'll just do some trading on, just show you the copying feature first. Just add in 102, 3, 4, 5, why not? And you'll see you can configure the multipliers or loss limits, whatever. You can map the micro or mini. I'm just gonna go straight up and yeah, I'll start from 101. See all of them. Cool. The P&L updates. You can hide the P&L, or you could show the P&L. You can also hide your accounts, or show your accounts. So hovering over these column headers will give you nice tooltips of what they're doing. That's just a classic copier if you want to go from your lead to the followers. I'm not going to do the lockouts right now because I don't feel like being locked out for the duration of the video, but I will get to them eventually. Go to the max contracts. So this is kind of cool. If I go 10 on this, and then just to show that how the followers are configured as well, I'm just going to go with these 3 right now. So when you unclick, this kind of nice. The name goes dim so that you know which ones are on and which ones are off. Or you can click the handy X to just get rid of the follower in general. Yeah, so let's demo this max contract. So the Sim 101 cannot go over 10. So if I try to put 15 in here, see it's blocked. Oops, yeah. Now if I go 5, 102 should hit 5, and 103 should hit a position of 1. 5, 5, and 1. And now if I add again, only the Sim 101 should make a difference. And if I try to add again, it rejects it. This one got through, but it rejected it back to 10. And then you can scale out as well. Cool. Going on to demo. I might as well do the multiplier. I haven't shown the multiplier yet, so we'll just do 2 and 4. And we'll just do 2 here, or 1 to make it easy, right? I don't know. Turn it on. Then 5, so 101 is 1, multiply 2 and 4. And closed. Sweet. Cool. That's the multiplier. Now, this is a little bit confusing potentially, but I want to just show you max trades per time frame, but per minutes basically. Max trades per minutes. Sim 101 will be allowed 3 trades per 1 minute. 102 will be 2 trades per 1 minute. And 103 will be 1 trade per 1 minute. Turn this on. And I'll run through this. So you have 1 trade. Awesome. Now we should only see 2 positions open. 101 and 102 because 103 had the 1 trade per minute. And now only 1 opens. And now we're rejected because we hit the 3 max limit. Very cool. This will reset I have it set to minutes. So once this goes to 1 minute and, I'm sorry, 1:46, it will reset. Sweet. Moving to Discord. Or I guess I'll do a remap real quick. Sim 102 will be going to mini. 101 is on micros. So this by, you'll see 102 went to NQ, so it is mapping correctly. Close that out. Nice. And I might as well go to order mode, show order mode really quickly. So we're in order mode now. I'll always hover over anything for more information. Might make an information button that you can click. to get more information. I'm just going to throw an order out there. Actually, we'll do a ATM. So you'll see if I hit the buy, it's on 102 and 103. If I move it, it gets moved on all the accounts. And now we enter a position. See, they all entered and they all have their own cells. And we'll close. Perfect. I think that's essentially everything I need to demo for this. It's just a super handy, nice and easy trade copier. Scales really well. Super fast. P&L updates. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.